Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Civic Si. The Honda Civic Si is a perfect combination of sporty looks and performance to match. Sport seats, red accents, and a touchscreen deliver you the look and feel you expect when getting behind the wheel of the Civic Si. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.